In a quiet village nestled between rolling hills, there lived two neighbors, Akira and Takeshi. For years they had shared the same fence, but their hearts had grown apart due to a misunderstanding that festered like an unhealed wound. The rift began when Akira's prized cherry tree, standing tall and magnificent, bore its most succulent fruit. Every year, Takeshi would slyly pluck the cherries from the lowest branches, believing that Akira wouldn't notice. Yet, Akira's keen eyes had spotted the theft and had filled with resentment. One day, their disagreement reached a boiling point. Akira confronted Takeshi, accusing him of stealing cherries year after year. Takeshi vehemently denied it, and their exchange escalated into a bitter feud. Harsh words were exchanged, and the bond of friendship that once connected them shattered. Years passed, and the feud between Akira and Takeshi deepened. Their once thriving cherry tree stood barren, a poignant reminder of their unresolved conflict. One evening, a wise traveler named Hiroshi visited the village. Hearing of the feud, he approached Akira and Takeshi and said, "I see that you both have suffered greatly from this feud. Taking revenge or forgiving completely may not be the only paths to resolution." Intrigued, Akira and Takeshi listened intently. Hiroshi continued, "What if you both were to share the tree's cherries from now on? Instead of seeking revenge or forgiveness, you could choose to share the tree's blessings. Each year, take turns to harvest the cherries and break bread together beneath its branches." Akira and Takeshi pondered Hiroshi's words. They realized that perhaps there was a middle path, one that allowed them to heal their rift without clinging to revenge or pretending to forgive. They agreed to Hiroshi's proposal, and the following cherry season, they gathered the cherries together. As they shared a meal beneath the tree, the wounds of the past began to heal. Slowly but surely, their friendship was rekindled. In time, the cherry tree flourished once more, its bountiful harvest a symbol of the balanced harmony that had been restored between the two neighbors. This story teaches us that life's conflicts often have alternatives to revenge or forgiveness. Sometimes, finding a middle path that allows for reconciliation and healing without the burden of grudges or complete forgiveness can lead to lasting harmony and peace. It reminds us that the journey toward resolution may not always be straightforward, but with an open heart and willingness to seek common ground, bridges can be rebuilt and friendships can be mended. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more great content. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next one.